We'll get into the tropics just a second. It is 6:15. I've got, 90, 91 yesterday afternoon again. It was a solid September day. We didn't have much right along the coast in the way of rain, but there were some showers inland. Everything just kind of pushed inland as that sea breeze moved toward the east coast. Same thing is going to happen today. And for those right along the coast, it has been a very, very dry September. You know, almost 5 inches of rain below normal for the month of September. We're close, you know, and it wouldn't bother me so much if we had another month of the rainy season left, but we may not, you know, and then you know how things just kind of shut down. So I'm kind of hoping that we can get some showers out tomorrow with this front coming through. Dew points are sky high, very, very humid outside. And even though we have a cold front moving through Tampa tomorrow, it gets stuck on the East Coast and eventually just falls apart. It's not going to come through far enough for the drier air to make a difference around here. So unfortunately, folks, it's still going to be humid even after this weak front comes through. But out ahead of it, we could see some shower activity. And then I want you to notice that behind it, some of the drier air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere combined with kind of a north wind. Now, this is future Imelda. Okay, this may be a little bit closer than it's actually going to be, but what it will do is it will shift the winds as it goes past our state, runs parallel to our state Sunday into Monday, gives us kind of that north wind. And that north wind is going to shut the rain chances down. I mean, I wish it was going to bring in a tremendous amount of dry air, but it is going to lower the rain chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to like 10%. So a 20% rain chance today with a 40% rain chance tomorrow, and that would be mainly late morning, early afternoon. So hope you can squeeze some showers out tomorrow. Humberto is now a hurricane. And the one difference I noticed this morning with it is that its projected wind speeds going up. We knew it was going to be a major hurricane. It's not a major hurricane yet. It's a Category 1 storm. But it's projected to be a Category 4 hurricane, maybe early on Monday as it's making that big bend, that big turn, going to the west of Bermuda, but well east of the United States. The issue is not Humberto. It's how close is it going to get to our developing system, future Imelda. It will eventually get pulled up toward the southeast coast of the United States, and that's where it gets very, very tricky. It's going to take another 24 to 36 hours to really fine-tune this forecast, because yesterday I had multiple models just barreling it into South Carolina. Today, they're all over the place again, and what they're trying to do is it runs parallel to our state, runs through the Bahamas, gets up to the Carolina coast, and that's where the models differ. Some bring it onshore, bring it back offshore again, then back onshore again. Others barrel it straight through, and others, because Humberto is going to be close enough, tend to pinwheel it around a common point. That is something known as the Fujiwara effect. You probably heard that in the news. It's very rare in the Atlantic basin, but when two storms get this close together, they sort of pinwheel around each other on a common point. So as this one would move northward, this one would move southeastward. And if that happens, well, then it gets pulled out to sea. So there is no definitive solution to future Imelda right now. But it's still just a tropical wave and not even a named storm. So another 24, 36 hours will probably tell the tale. There are no models, no indications that it's going to come into the east coast of Florida, though. But we will have high surf. You'll have high rip currents, typical when a storm passes off to the east of our state. I got a light chop in the Tampa area, really on the coastal waters today and tomorrow. Sunday, more of a moderate chop behind that front as the winds pick up out of the northeast. It's the rain chances that are struggling. 40% is the best tomorrow. Then we're back to 10% rain chances Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with highs right around 90.